from the universe, live from my global village. We are very happy with my guests to introduce from the first time the universe of VetTech and PetTech. And tonight, as Italy was definitely brilliant within the CES, and Fabio, our VetTech expert coordinator, did an excellent job, I'm very happy to introduce tonight three super champions introducing and building up the future of vet tech and pet tech. Okay, guys, so now let's start for the presentation. You have about 3 seconds to introduce yourself. Buonasera, Fabio, come stai?
Tutto bene, Marco Leonele, grazie.
Let's
It's a
do
really
it in
pleasure
English.
it's a pleasure to be here with you. I'm Fabio Selli. I'm the coordinator for my global village for Italy and Monaco.
You did an excellent job. That was your first CES, and you have discovered tremendous VetTech and PetTech solution. We discover them pretty soon. How are you doing, Anik? Hello, Anik. Please unmute your microphone. Hello, Anik. I do it again. Hello,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Lionel. Pleased to be with you tonight.
Pleased to meet you too. Please introduce yourself. You're doing
I'm
extraordinary
Annick.
jobs.
I'm a French vet. I'm co-founder of an association called VetTech. It's an association of vets that are very interested in new technologies for vets and for pets.
Okay, thank you for being here. And at the end of this show, we will be very happy to be connected with one of our famous tech explorer. Hello, Jean-Pierre, and he will give us hints concerning our next webcast concerning health tech, human health tech. Everything is fine, Jean-Pierre?
Everything is fine. Hello, everybody. Good evening or good afternoon. I don't know
It depends
exactly.
on where you are. Thank you so much. Okay, so before introducing some of our super champion, please let's start to discover with Fabio some of the incredible solution he has put it out during his exploration. Go ahead, Fabio. That's your turn.
Okay. This year was my first CES. I have seen incredible things, solution produced by startup from all over the world. We have to say that Korea was and Italy were the most innovative country in the CES. We have seen at least 20 super interesting startups that they are producing solution that connect that allow to connect the vet with the pet owner. That's very important. Nothing really new, but something that try to put things together to have a seamless communication. And we discovered a solution from Korea for animal entertainment, solution from Japan to train animals for to starting music. We have solution from United States with a chatbot for the pet owner. We have solution from other countries in order to have devices connected that help the veterinarian to be there exactly when the pet owner needs. For example, Carpet, the Italian startup, they will produce a fantastic pillow with connected pillow that will transmit to the vet like heart frequency and breath frequency. So things very interesting that that are pretty new in our field.
Okay. Okay, but you have prepared a lot of pictures, so you know the rule, Fabio. You have 25 seconds to comment every film you brought to us. You ready?
Okay,
let's go for it. Go ahead.
Okay. This is a solution from Korea in which they will have the possibility to sanitize the cage for the cat in order to be sure that the cat will be always in a really nice environment.
Next, go ahead.
Okay, this is a ChatGPT trained especially on the pet owner need, and is a solution that is in developing from New York City.
Okay, next.
AI based, of course. This is a Korean solution for entertaining animals.
Okay, next one.
Okay, to measure brain activities for the animal. Again, a Korean solution. And please go on with the video.
No, maybe it's not. Sometimes the video is lazy, so you have the, yeah, it's not
Okay,
moving.
okay.
Okay.
It's just a screen that they show images specially developed for animals in order to entertain the animal while the pet owner is not at home. That's very interesting. We like the Netflix of the pet of the pets for the pets, with the images and a screen especially developed for animals.
That's great. Who's next?
This is a very interesting solution. Is a AI-based door that stop the cat entering the house when he has in the mouth a mouse, for example, a little snake, things like that. That should help the owners, no, to have the house free from unexpected guests.
Oh, great. Who's next? Look, next solution. So
Okay.
in Italy.
Okay. Now we are going to Italy. That's very interesting. This is a solution that later Chiara will introduce it by herself. But this is a light, a sanitizing light that allow the puppy, the pet, to sleep in a safe environment, safe and clean environment. That's very nice without a chemical product.
Okay, next.
Now we have seen it.
We have finished the series. Okay, thank you so much.
But we should let me introduce other two startups, Italian startup. We had Chiara, we had also Alessandra with Laika, a chatbot trained to help a co-pilot for the vet. That's very important, very innovative solution. And latest but not least, the solution from Mirko from Carpet, that is a connected pillow in which is supposed to rest the pets with a sensor that collect the data from the heart, from the breath, and from the weight, things like that, that allow the vet to have data directly from the home of the pet owner.
That's impressive. Very, very good job of detection. And so this is the first parts of our webcast, the tech exploration, but you know how My Global Village is committed to introduce super startup to super investors. And I suggest, because you brought to us 3 super champions from Italy, you introduce to us the first of the 3 one, Fabio, that will have, you know the rule, 90 seconds to pitch its solution, and of course we will introduce it to our global network of investors. Who's going to be the first, Fabio?
The first will be Laika with Alessandra Chianale, the co-pilot for the vets.
Okay,
go on, Alessandra.
Alessandra, if you're ready, you know the rule. You share your screen and you go ahead. So, dear investors, if you want to connect with Chiara, you've got a QR code. You just have to click the QR code. You'll be connected on the My Global Village portal to all the information and much more. But now you know the rule. Avanti, that's your turn, Laika.
Hello to everyone, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Alessandra, and I'm here from Hitem to present you Laika, our artificial intelligence-driven veterinary companion. Let's start from the problem we want to solve. Every year, 1.8 million of pets are harmed due to misdiagnosis. We know that veterinarians are very well trained, but sometimes they are generalists, and also the digital tool that exists fail to close expertise gaps. So our solution, Laika, is designed to help vets to save money, time, but of course to save more lives. As you can see, Laika is a very user-friendly chat interface with the vet can engage with Laika, can ask for support supporting diagnosis, asking for treatment on disease, or upload, as you can see, diagnostic exams. Leica will respond promptly, providing an indication for a second opinion diagnosis, suggesting additional exams or proposing treatment options. We know that we want to disrupt the veterinary tech market industry with Leica. The market is very huge, and we know there is a significant growth potential. If we compare with our competitors, we know that we can offer a faster and accurate system, and of course, a very user-friendly system again, because we worked for the development of Leica with veterinarians for veterinarians. In fact, in our go-to-market strategy in September, we validated the business model with some clinics in Italy, and today we are doing a sort of pilot with 60 Italian labs and clinics that are already on board and using our Leica. Next target is March 2024, where Leica will be online and open to all vets, and next target again, introduction of Leica in partnership with the PMS providers. Leica is a software as a service model, and the vet could define a pay-per-use solution or a flat subscription, so free to use it like as much as they want as they can. And today, what we are looking for is an investment of 1 million, because we really want to ramp up our Leica-specific artificial intelligence capabilities. We want to grow up in our pet team, as we call us, and we want to reach our main target goal, that is provide all the vets with our smart and always updated companion. Hope to be in 90 seconds.
Thank you, Alessandra. It was clear and brilliant exposition of your service. Mark Lionel, switch on your microphone because we don't hear you, please.
Microphone, Mark Lionel.
Go on. What you had to say?
We can go with the second, right? We can introduce the second startup.
Perhaps a problem of headsets.
Okay. So please, Mirko, I show you up, no? Turn on your camera and introduce to us Carpet, your connected pillow.
I share my video, or
yes,
use
yes,
the video
please do it
from the platform.
Yeah, please
Okay.
do it.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. I'm Mirko Bretto, founder and innovation manager of Dometics, and we have showed in CES 2024, and we won also the Innovation Award prize, our last product called Carpet. So many of us have a pet at home, but unfortunately they can't talk, and so we can't understand on time sometimes when they have some disease. Carpet is a bed with inside a line of sensor, and we are able to collect information such as breath, heart rate, the quality and the quantity of the rest. Collecting this information, we can detect and prevent some disease. And one of the most important features is that we can send a suggestion to the owner in order to go to the vet, or share in real time also the data directly with the vet. In this way, we can help not only to improve the quality of the life of our pets, but also the quality of the life of our with Carpet. Here we are looking for some investor. We are looking for about 1 million in order to scale up our solution and go also in other market in Europe. But we are here also to find some pet lover that follow us and support our project. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mirko, for your exposition. This was really brilliant. So please, Chiara, go on.
Hello everyone, I am sharing my video. So yes.
And I don't know if I recover my my microphone. So sorry for my technical problems. I hope it won't make cause too much trouble. In any case, we will record it any of your pitch for our investors if there's any problems. Are you ready, Chiara? And if you have a technical problems, I won't be upset. You see, even the moderator do have technical problems. So that's your turn. You know the rule now. You have 90 seconds to be convincing. Go ahead.
Thank you. Hello everyone, and I am presenting today to you, Charlie and Greta, a smart self-sanitizing and odor-controlled pet bed. Let's address first of all the problem of
You did it perfectly well. Please do unshare your your screen, but it was a super good job. Thank you. And Fabio, we are really impressed by the Italian dynamics. You are also very involved in the industry. Does you have so many startups in your country, Fabio?
Yeah, we have startups, and hopefully we are with tools we are building. No, we are in these markets. I think we can develop an Italian platform for pets. That's very interesting to connect our system with the startups that we're pitching today in order to create, I would say, a national champion, best practice that we can spread worldwide and hopefully integrate other great ideas from other countries like France or Korea or Japan or Hong Kong, what we have seen at the CES.
It's a very good transition. I wish Italy will become the champion within my global village to spread out the best tech all over the world and also to import the best tech of the rest of the world to Europe. Thank you very much. So you talk about France, we have a super champion. Anix, welcome again on board. How are you doing? And so what you think about the Italian dynamics? I have asked to you, because this is your 6th or 7th CES, you know very well the meeting. The fifth, yes, it's all right. I have the feeling that I know you for years because it's so intense in the CES. And I have you to ask, so you kept, I think, one Italian company, but because you know that there were so many companies, to spot out your best choice. You have spotted out, I don't know, 50 or 6. How many technology did you spot out? And please, can you introduce for us, share your screen, the best you have seen during your trip? That's your turn.
Thank you so much, Marc. I will give you in the few minutes that I have, I will give you the vet point of view and the point of view of someone who has been to the CES for 5 times now. So it's just to say that it is a good vintage for this CES. We have seen so many things and so many interesting things with our vet point of view. Just a few minutes to share
your screen. Go ahead, no problems. Share your screen. Takes your time. We're in a good in good company right now. Go ahead.
What I can say, put it.
Yeah, please put it on full screen. Yes, please. Yeah, do it. When you're ready, we'll put it. No problem. Yes, there it is. Go ahead.
What can I say when I'm now back from the DCS 2024? It's I said a very good vintage. What I can tell you is that AI was everywhere. Everything was smart or AI based. We have seen a very good evolution from a device. Let's say in 2019, we had a lot of devices, but now it's not device that we see on the exhibition. It's coach, it's a vet coach, it's a pet owner coach, or even a dog coach. We have seen for the first time, and that's interesting, we have seen farm tech, a lot of very interesting devices for pigs and cows. It's not VetTech, it's not PetTech, but it's very interesting for us. It's the first time at the CES, and as Fabio said, we have seen a lot of South Korea solutions. And what I can say about pets is that a lot of solutions are based on pet health at home. The health is not only at the clinic with the vet, now the health is at home. That's very interesting, and it's also what we've seen in human health. More than 45 exhibitors. You see 5 VetTechs, the distraction, the 2 PetTechs, the video and the music, but also 3 robots for dogs. was very interesting at this CES 2024.
Thank you so much, Annie. Please unshare your screen, and it's a very good job. I just specify that every year you are organizing delegations, so you are bringing mostly French-speaking people to the CES, buyers, vets. Next year, hopefully, Fabio, let's bring also the Italian industry. But we do, as European, have to move very fast because we see that Korea, Asia, America is very active in that industry. So let's be organized, let's be more efficient. And I was really impressed by everything you show up tonight. Chiara, Alessandra, Mirko, something to add? You have about 10 seconds for a last message of conclusion before leaving this show. Dear investors, look at those three marvelous solutions. Your conclusion, Mirko.
What we've shown now is for end user, so it's for B2C, but we are developing also a version for vet, focus on the vet, because in the vet clinic there are the cage, and now the next step will be finalize the prototype for our carpet for the cage. So in order to monitorize at the same time many pets and provide a very useful service for the vet.
That's great. Next time you'll be ready with the second solution, please come back on our webcast to introduce it. Thank you so much. Chiara, your conclusion, please.
Yes, just one little thing that is not so little is that the technology that we use, BioVite, is already patented all over the world. We filed 15 patents granted and 10 granted and 5 that are pending of approval. So our light, it's really a revolution, and it will completely change the way that we interact with our pets, dogs and cats at home.
Thank you so much. Very good job, Chiara. Same conclusion, same principle. Your own conclusion, Alessandra.
Yeah, I just would like to remark that on March 2024 will be online, so I invite everyone that want to test Leica to contact us, and to add that Leica is growing, is of course becoming every day more accurate, and so we really hope to have the right solution for vets, so that it will be a sort of support for them, because we know the importance of the human aspect of vets, but what we would like to do is really to help them and to save more lives.
Thank you so much. Grazie mille a tutti. It's not time to conclude. One last word, Fabio, and then I will have a short break concerning our next webcast. We will talk about health tech. But first of all, your conclusion, Fabio.
So, well, my conclusion is that we can bring together amazing things to improve lives for our pets and ourselves as humanity. So we should go on and try to work together, in order to improve lives. That's it.
That's it, and that's a great message. Thank you for all this contribution, and thank you for saving the moderator when technical problem happened. I know now that the next show could be directly moderated by you, Fabio. Grazie mille. So before leaving it, let's have a look to the next health tech webcast we're gonna have. Jean-Pierre, you prepare for us some team and interesting things. What are gonna be the trends we're gonna talk about our health tech next show, Jean-Pierre?
Yes, indeed, Marc-Lionel. Also in health tech, much coming from, as it was said, South Korea, France, Europe, Japan, and US. Generally, digital health is becoming more personalized, accessible, and intelligent. And as I quote Gary Shapiro in his wrap-up article, we are now seeing advances in healthcare that empower individual people to better understand their own health. So perhaps 3 features can describe this healthcare at CES 24. As it was said, AI is taking growing importance in detection of health issues. Small and smart medical devices, pillows, pads, smart rings for care improvement, and products are analyzing growingly sleeping habits. More generally, the wearable market is expanding with intelligent glasses, headsets, earphones, handcloth. Also, health of tomorrow will be more and more that of telemedicine. So, to illustrate these generic trends, I have selected, and it's the carousel that you are seeing here, some companies' example with Dassault System and their digital twins of heart and brain. And I made the exercise myself. It was very astonishing. Virtual replica of the heart and brain. The company WeThings with their BMO solution, all-in-one device, you see the digital twin with on my brain. Huh? So WeThings here, BMO, all-in-one device used as a stethoscope that measures body temperature also, blood oxygen level, and realizes electrocardiogram. Another interesting example is with a Vivo with an at-home urine test, also at home. French startup Galéon, we have seen, that connects hospitals to each other through its population health management, PHM system. And finally, the Seragen, South Korean big company for smart home devices such as medical beds and Medicare platform. So these are the main trends I could see, and some illustrative. Of course, there are many other ones, but some illustrative examples shown at the CES 24.
Thank you so much, and we will go on further detail with guests and startups to introduce to you during our next webcast. Annick, as a conclusion, that was your first webcast. How was it? Not too much surprised by this exercise, Annick?
Not very surprised. No, thank you. We made a webcast last Monday in French to show what we have seen to other vets staying here in France. So to share all what we discover, we made this webinar, and on top of that, we write a report that we will share in few weeks to share all we have seen there. So what I can say is that we will be back next year, next January. We will be at the CES. I hope we will meet together at next CES. Hope to see you.
Thank you so much for all this information. You will find in the coming days the free capsule of every startups in the tech for investors area. And of course, stay tuned with all the webcasts from My Global Village. Bye-bye. That's it.